welcome back to my and Blue's channel. I'm Zanaya Stacy, and I'm gonna, for once in my life, crochet my own hair. So.
Alright guys, Madam Blue here. So you just saw the greeting, Zanaya, or the intro. Zanaya's gonna crochet her hair. I've already braided it for her, and I did, because I did the braid pattern like this for some of them, I put the crochets in there already. But I'm about to teach her. Girl, what did you just do?
A TikTok.
I'm about to teach her. I've already showed her how to crochet her hair. In an older video, she did crochet her hair before, but that was years ago. Don't even know if she remembers how to do it. So yeah, she's going to crochet her hair today as much as she can.
Is this how much I'm doing? So we're gonna start off with this for right now. It's probably about,
I don't know.
you're gonna edit this out. Like, no, not this part, but like the part where I'm talking to you and asking you questions. This is probably about 10 pieces of hair, and I'm gonna try to do 10 pieces of hair because she's sadly doing something and she's gonna tell you guys something, and so I'm learning to do my own hair.
Make sure you always are. Alright, so these are latch hooks. This style is actually called latch hook, but they call it crochets. These are latch hooks.
You just need to
Girl.
excuse me guys,
So,
I just gotta be the person.
Okay, so I have crochet videos, but this is how you do a crochet. You put the hook in the hair, open. You put the hair on the hook, you close it, you pull it through, and then you pull the hair through. Very simple. So we're gonna see if Zanaya can do that with instruction. I'm gonna speed it up.
Wait, what was I gonna say? Anyway, this, I watched her over the past years that she's been doing, like, putting weave in my hair. So, I'm gonna try to do my best because I don't know if I wasn't paying attention, you'll see.
Girl!
Anyways, like I said, she said you open the hook, you put the hair in, you close the hook, you pull it through, then you open it again, and then you
Grab the tail end.
grab the tail end, and then, you know,
You are so
you
funny.
do something.
So, you think you know the steps. Let's do at the top somewhere. Oh, I missed this part here.
So, excuse my big forehead.
Oh, no, you can have a big forehead. Shut up.
Can't share the spotlight with your cousin.
No, that's not how you do it. What are you doing?
No, just taking it off because that's stuck.
Okay, so let's do this one. You always want to make sure it's at least a finger apart.
Right here, right?
Yes.
So you're gonna open the thing. See, I have it open, guys. I'm gonna pull it in.
You have to make sure you don't go through the two braids. If you go through the two, just pull it all the way through, close it, and you can pull it right out.
Okay. Then I'm gonna open it.
It's open.
Oh, it's open? Okay. I opened it, and then I'm gonna take my hair. This is how it looks. I can't really see, so I'm gonna use you guys so you guys can really see it right there. Is it on?
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm gonna close it. Is it on?
No, it's not. You put it on one little piece. It's hard when you're looking at the camera.
I guess I wasn't paying attention, guys. Excuse me. And then I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna pull it through the little thing right here. Ooh, it's on there, and then I'm gonna. How do I pull it through? Attach it to this piece.
No. You put it back on the hook. No, not that part. That was through. You put this on the hook. Close it and pull it through. Here, the best way to do this.
You put it on the hook, you close it, and you pull it.
The easiest way to do this is just open this hole up and pull it through there. There's a hole. Through the hole.
And then you pull this.
And put this in the hole.
That's not the easiest way. See, I can even do one by myself.
You've done it before. You need to pay attention. It's hard looking there. Looking there. yeah, I just started helping her because honestly she was moving entirely too slow and we did not have all night. But I'm going to keep working with her.
Oh, I got it.
You can also make it big before you put it on.
It's good. And then I did another one. Great.
Put one right here so you can see the front.
Right there. So if you guys, alright, I'm gonna want you guys to see right here. I clipped it on. Oh, 2 people left. Zero
Okay.
people.
I save it for
Who's
later.
Alicia? Rose.
Wait. Hey, that's one of my clients. Come on. Everybody
So
knows
I'm just gonna
it's
make
Similac.
conversation. She calls me Bad Similac, and that's my nickname because she calls me that because when I was a little baby, I used to spit up my Similac, and I was, of course, the powder milk thing. And so she calls me Similac. Says I have chunky cheeks. It's never growing old. She calls me annoying because sometimes
All the time.
I do 12-year-old things, and she, you know, she's my cousin. She's great. She's just really great. And then, I don't know what to talk about.
You don't have to talk.
Oh, yes, I have to keep conversation going or else.
Maya, you put this one in there.
Oh, oops. Anyways, so, hey, thank you. I get it. Why are you laughing?
You're so bad.
I am bad.
Girl, you are so bad.
Anyways, I am so bad.
Come on, you take it all day.
I'm getting
so
A's, I'm doing good in school,
Girl,
and I am
you getting
so
C's.
bad. Well, I used to have S, but that's because I just started 6th grade, and it's been very hard.
Girl.
And if you guys see this video in the future, I start the intro. And, oh, hi, Simone.
You doing good, Naya?
Freak. I'm just trying to make conversation here because I do not know what to talk about. I'm just talking about things in life. And so, yeah. If you guys see this video, I started the intro today, and because she asked me to, of course. And, I am going to end it, also. I'm trying to do my hair. We're probably going to be here for a while because I don't know how to do my own hair. We're almost done. And I just want to say thank you for following my cousin. If you guys have anyone that needs their hair done, please tell them to come watch my cousin's thing. What am I just saying? Her YouTube videos, and come and go to the shop because she's great. She's just really great.
Thank you.
Thank you. Tell your mom I said hi. Okay. Right now.
A lot of people know your mom.
Yep. What else should I talk about? I kind of have a job, you know. I have a job.
So yeah, I put her on Instagram and Facebook Live. And she did so good. Even with the intro, that was just one take. I told her to make sure she says her name and what we were doing. And I left the room so I didn't make her nervous. And she just did it. Like, she did so good. And again, I'm helping her because one, she was taking too long and she's not really good at talking and trying to do them. Next time, if it's not so late, because this was after I was done with all my clients. So next time, if I have more time, I'll let her do most of them.
a black woman.
You said you want jewels?
Yes.
This isn't even a lot. It's only 4 packs.
Yes, queen.
Girl, oh my God, Zanaya. You're just trying to show out.
I love you guys. Hi guys, welcome to Madame Blue's Instagram Live. If you have her Facebook, we just did a live on that, and I just technically showed you guys how I was crocheting my hair for the first time. So yeah, well, it's not my first time, but I haven't crocheted my hair in a while, and so I'm redoing it. I did it like years ago, but I'm redoing, like trying to crochet my hair, and so far I probably did like 1/4 of it, and that's because Millie was trying to help me out. That's her name, and she did the back, and I was doing Madame Blue. She wants you guys to color.
That is not what I said. I said they know my name.
How? You say Madame Blue.
Yeah, but most people on here know me personally and know my name is Millie.
Oh, well.
You know where go to book. Dang, I don't have a lot of beads.
So I think I am going to get some rings. Actually, I don't want any.
None?
Alright, this is the end of the video. This is how my hair turned out. It looks cute for me. She's staring at me right now. It looks cute for me. I didn't add any jewelry because I just wanted to go basic today, and I just want to go home. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share, and turn on all the post notifications so you can be updated on her videos. Thank you for watching, and we are going home. Bye!